In the last year, AI has exploded. Now, pretty much anyone can create professional digital art and, well, sell it on a platform like Etsy. All you do is, well, create an Etsy shop, upload your digital art, and, well, you're in business. But here's the problem. Because it is so easy, well, Etsy is becoming saturated, actually oversaturated. New shops are popping up pretty much every single day. I had one viewer that said, I started selling on Etsy my digital art and it was going great, 70% margins. But now, because there's so much competition, I don't have hardly any margins and I'm barely making any sales anymore. And I said, yeah, that is a problem. So is this AI digital art gold rush over? Can you still make money selling digital art? And the answer is yes. And I have a 5-step simple solution that will separate you from the thousands of just generic digital art sellers. So here they are. Number 1 is really identifying a niche that you're going to be creating your digital art for. So I'll give you an example. If you were going to create digital art for boho type style, then you would go after boho Western, maybe boho kitchen art, boho wall art for bathrooms and things like that. Because now what we're doing is we're going after someone that is decorating in that type of style versus you just being a digital art store that sells random digital art. If you're going after certain searches that people are looking for on Etsy, well, then we can go ahead and create those digital art pieces that go after those types of people. Now, I, again, would focus on one niche. So this way here, we also can do some things that I'm going to cover here shortly that will really separate you from the competition. All right, number 2 is offering these designs on physical products. Now, you can do this without you having to do the printing or you having to have inventory. You can use what we call print on demand or pod. And this is where you can connect with a service like Printify and they will do all of the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is have your art design, the one that you created using AI, and then they will go ahead and print it, they will go ahead and ship it, and you will have a happy customer. And if you think about it for a second, someone that wants to buy that printable piece of art that you created, maybe they don't want to print it themselves. Maybe they want to put it on a canvas, or maybe they want to put it on a poster, or maybe they want to put it on a blanket, or maybe they want to put it on a pillow. All of those items, by the way, you can get over at Printify. One way to separate yourself from all of the competition is to not just offer the same thing that your competition is offering. And to be honest with you, a lot of people don't want to do the print on demand. They want to just sell digital. So this is one way that will separate you from all of the other people coming in that are just trying to sell digital. All right, the third thing that you can do to separate yourself from the competition is building your own external traffic channel. And the way that you can do this is, well, build your own email list. You can do this by offering your products as a giveaway and maybe advertise them on Facebook, or maybe put them in a Facebook group that you belong to, or maybe just let your friends and family know about it and then the word will spread. But by doing this, you're building an email list of people that are interested in your niche. Another way that you can do this is go on YouTube and find someone that has an audience already that might be interested in your type of product. And then you can reach out to them and see if they will do a shout out or if they'll do a sponsored post or a sponsored video. And then from there, you're leveraging their audience because they've already built it. The fourth thing that you can do is create more products. And I don't mean just the digital art products. I mean, create the digital art. You can still sell that as a printable. And then from there, you're going to also have the canvas, the poster, the pillow, the blanket, etc. And what this is going to do is it's not just going to reach the people that are looking for digital art, it's also going to reach people that are looking for these print on demand type products. And it's also going to notify people that have favorited your shop or purchased things in the past, or maybe even just favorited items. They're going to get notified in their Etsy little notification tab that you have something new. So that's something you can do that you can sell to new customers, but you can also sell to past customers. And the fifth thing is something that a lot of people just won't do because, well, it requires a little bit more work. And that is offering personalization. So So anytime you offer personalization, you are going to show up, number one, for the search personalized artwork, whatever it is. And then you're also going to get a different type of person that is looking for something that is personalized. So you've now separated yourself because your competition isn't offering this. Do what others won't do because it's too much work. And that is how you separate yourself from the thousands of other people selling similar items. And now one thing that's going to happen when you put all this together is you're going to start to get more sales than your competition. And what this is going to do is this is also going to drive you higher in the search results, because that's what Etsy will do. If you're selling product, they are going to promote you. And that is how you will also be able to beat your competition. But a lot of people say, Scott, that is where I struggle, is getting sales. And that's why I shot this video right here that goes over exactly how to get your first 100 sales on Etsy. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.